What if you could transform your regular TV into a powerful 8K smart entertainment hub with blazing speed, massive storage, and the latest Android system? Today on Smart Home Hub, we're unboxing and reviewing the Android 16 Smart TV Box Q18, powered by the Rockchip RK3518 processor, featuring 8 GB RAM and up to 256 GB storage. But the big question is this one of the fastest budget Android TV boxes you can buy right now? Let's find out. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find the Android 16 Smart TV Box, a voice remote control, HDMI cable, power adapter, and user manual. The design is compact, lightweight, and minimal, making it easy to place next to your TV or media setup. Ventilation holes around the body help with heat dissipation, which is important for stable performance during long streaming sessions. Taking a closer look at the ports, the Q18 TV Box comes with a USB 3.0 port for ultra-fast file transfers, a USB 2.0 port for peripherals like keyboards or flash drives, an Ethernet LAN port for stable wired internet, HDMI output for connecting to your TV, and power input. This combination makes the device flexible for both streaming and local media playback. Now let's talk about the performance. The Q18 is powered by the Rockchip RK3518 quad-core processor, paired with the Mali 450 MP2 GPU. This configuration provides smooth system navigation, fast app loading, and reliable media playback. The version we're testing today comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB internal storage, which is huge for a TV box. That means you can install more apps, games, and streaming services without worrying about running out of space. One of the biggest highlights is the Android 16 operating system. It brings a modern interface, better performance optimization, and improved security and compatibility. You also get access to popular apps like YouTube, Kodi, Vudu, streaming platforms, and thousands of apps through Android ecosystems. This basically turns your TV into a full entertainment center. The Q18 Smart TV Box also supports 8K video playback, delivering incredibly detailed visuals when connected to a compatible display. It supports many video formats, including AVI, MKX, MOV, VOB, MPEG, FLV, and more. For audio lovers, it also supports formats like MP3, AAC, WAV, FLAC, and APE. And for images, it can display formats such as JPEG, PNG, BMP, and GIF. So whether you're streaming, watching downloaded movies, or viewing photos, this box handles it easily. Connectivity is another strong point. The device includes dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.4 for connecting headphones, keyboards, or speakers, and Ethernet LAN for stable high-speed streaming. This ensures smooth streaming without buffering. So what can you actually do with this device? You can turn any TV into a smart TV, stream movies and TV shows, install entertainment apps, watch YouTube in high resolution, load local media from USB drives, and use screen mirroring from your phone. It's perfect for home theaters, living rooms, bedrooms, or travel setups. Pros and cons. Pros: latest Android 16 system, powerful RK3518 processor, large 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage option, 8K video support, dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4, wide media format compatibility. Cons: some streaming apps may depend on regional support. 8K content requires compatible displays and sources. Overall, the Android 16 Q18 Smart TV Box offers a great balance of performance, storage, and multimedia features. If you're looking for an affordable way to upgrade your TV into a powerful smart entertainment system, this TV box is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Smart Home Hub, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest smart gadgets and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.